Ma'am, relax. She's fine. She's not. Yeah, can you grab her?
Don't you touch me. I swear to God, don't you touch me.
She has a pulse.
Yeah, she's breathing. She's breathing.
I'm not scared or not. I'm scared.
Can a person be too drunk to go to jail? And if the jail turns them away after a lawful arrest, does that mean the arrest was wrong? This case sits at the intersection of criminal law, constitutional duty, and a question most legal textbooks do not answer directly.
Oh, laying on the ground. Is she responsive?
She jumping in. She jumped up. She just takes
Her, she's like combative. She is? She like punching or anything, or she just running away?
Swung at me once.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I don't know if I have to take her to jail. Alright, but she's responsive though, right?
Yeah.
God damn. She fights EMS, she's probably gonna go to jail. She just wet as a throw up. Yeah, I'm probably gonna need you, because if she fights EMS, we're gonna have to take her to jail. Yeah, it's an emergency, dude. I'm gonna need you, so we gotta, unless that's her. Is that her friend?
Yeah, that's her friend, but she cute.
So you said she hit her friend?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sophia, don't touch her.
Ma'am, relax. She's fine. She's not. Yeah, can you grab her?
Sophia.
No.
Don't touch her, please.
No.
Officer.
All right, yep.
No.
Relax. Hey, relax. Okay.
I'm not trying to get involved.
You sober? Are you sober?
I mean, now I am. After this fucking relax.
Ma'am, you're right. This is the police. Relax.
You touch her.
Relax. Or are you going to
You touch her.
relax?
No, they not. No, they not. No, baby,
Leona,
stop.
Are you
They
sober?
not.
Are you sober?
Now I am.
Don't touch me.
Nah, but you had alcohol.
Prior to the night.
I don't
Okay,
care.
so you
I
can't
don't
drive.
care.
No.
I don't
absolutely not.
care.
We Ubered here from
Don't you touch
right outside
her.
of Social.
Uh-huh.
So we took Uber to the Waffle House. We ordered them food. We got them waters. The water beverage just broke.
Don't fucking touch her.
Relax.
Yeah.
I swear to fucking God, don't you fucking
You
touch
need to
her.
grab her.
Do you want me to?
Don't fucking
Yes.
touch her.
Eliana?
Don't fucking touch me.
Eliana?
I swear to fucking God, don't fucking touch me.
Dude, I'll try.
Don't fucking touch me.
I got
Don't fucking touch me.
Officer. All right.
You and you don't fucking
So
touch
you don't
me.
think she'll go home
Don't fucking
safely?
touch me.
What happened?
You don't think she's gonna go home safely?
I don't care.
We tried every
Don't
avenue.
fucking touch me.
Like, I carried.
Alright.
She was about to run into the lake
Yeah.
on the opposite side of the fucking Waffle House. I had to fucking pick her up and carry her just to the white barriers right there. And when she saw paramedics, she was laying in the ditches.
Is she drunk as well?
I can't speak for her conditions, officer.
I mean, can she drive? That's what I'm trying to say.
I honestly cannot speak for her conditions. I really don't know. I just saw her friend was very intoxicated.
And you guys have no one that can drive, right?
I mean, we could Uber.
don't
So what you need to do
care.
is you need to grab her. She's gonna go to jail.
Listen, I will grab her, but obviously she's making remarks on "don't touch me."
No, I'm grabbing. You gotta grab the friend.
You don't fucking touch me. And you don't fucking touch me. Go the
We're gonna have to do
over
this on
there.
like a specific
Don't
count.
fucking touch me and
Okay.
walk
We're
over
gonna have to do like a
there.
specific count because like
Don't fucking
obviously you
touch
could tell
me.
the verbal remarks.
Go. You look over there.
We will do
You
this on the same
go.
time.
All right, yeah. All right.
Go.
Come here. I'm gonna myself. All right, you're going to jail. You're going to jail. I'm gonna be behind the hotel. 11095 dispatch. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. All right, you can stay here. I'm away from my officer. All right, boss?
Officer,
Yes, sir.
can you confirm she has a pulse?
Yeah, she's breathing. She's breathing.
Sophia, I
You get
know.
this light for me, boss. Yeah, she's got pepper. I think it's pepper spray.
Sophia, I
Might
know.
be something.
She doesn't have anything. Maybe shots.
Okay.
Maybe some shooters.
She's breathing.
Is she
She's
having balls? Please check on her. Is she having balls?
She has a pulse. She's breathing.
breathing. Sophia, she's breathing.
Let's get her on the recovery position.
Oh my God.
Just recovery position. Should be alright.
Sophia.
Yes, I'm here, baby. I'm here, baby. What's up? Yes, I'm here, baby. What's up, baby? Baby, I know you're tired. I know you're tired, baby.
You guys wanna? I don't know. do your little evaluation, make sure she's all right.
Baby, I'm here.
Let me get her
Baby,
up.
they're holding me too.
There you go, perfect.
Baby, I'm here.
Help,
I'm here.
Sophia.
I'm here.
Sophia,
Yeah.
help me.
I cannot. They're holding me too.
Help me.
Can you stand up? Sophia, come on, let's get up. All right, count of 3. Stand up, come on.
I don't know.
All right.
I'm not behind 30 or not. I don't know if she's behind drugs or
No,
not.
you're fine.
I'm scared.
Well, you're with us now, so you're good, okay?
And she's scary. I swear, if you drug test me, I'm not gonna be behind drugs.
I'm not
I
worried
swear.
about that. We're not.
No, like literally, drug test me or anything. I promise. Look, breathalyze me. I promise you. Look, breathalyze me. I promise you, I'm not behind any of those drugs. I'm fucking scared of that shit.
Have a seat
Look,
right there.
please trust
Ma'am,
us.
have a seat. Have a seat.
Here.
Have a seat. Put your
Please
legs.
trust
Have a
us,
seat.
me, please.
Have a seat.
I'm scared.
Turn around. Turn around.
Please, here.
What's that?
Please, I'm
stand by,
scared. Please, I promise you, I'm scared.
You're with the police now. You're fine.
I promise you, I'll do the breathalyzer or anything.
You don't need to do it.
promise
You don't have to do
I'm not
any of
on
that.
any drugs. Yo, you put her in jail.
What's that?
How you put her in jail?
Yes, she's going to jail. All right.
Intoxication and what is it?
Yeah. Public intox. I mean, before you got there, she was fighting.
This is her. This is her
Her purse? Okay.
Yes. Where's my
I just got to make sure she doesn't have any contraband.
Young lady, you gonna get?
You put it under legalized. I promise you, you're gonna be fucking arrested. I promise you, if you don't do it, I promise you, you're gonna be legalized.
Can you tell me a brief what happened?
So they all came in an Uber.
Okay.
She got out the car on the Uber,
Uh-huh.
fell on her face at first.
Okay.
So I denied them to come in. So the waitress came out to take their order.
Okay.
Then she went over on the side and urinated on the floor. I told her she couldn't do that.
Okay.
Then her and her friend, they tried after they got the food. They was walking to the hotel, and her friend turned around, smacked her. That's when she started getting irate. I went over to break it up. She turned around and tried to hit me. That's when I blocked the door. Then she went to run over to jump in the water. And we had to step over.
One
You know
second.
that they are no, not you.
Does she have a cell phone by any chance?
Somewhere was cell phone. Yes. This is
Okay.
my first
That's just
officer.
gone,
I'm a
man.
crew.
I searched the whole block. I searched the ditch where she passed out in. I couldn't find anything. We found her cellular device.
Okay.
And I found both of their purses, but as far as her cellular device, negative.
Can't find it. Okay.
Okay, this is my first officer.
Okay.
You want to talk? He said.
No, she's drunk.
He
She's
said,
going
he
to jail.
said that he doesn't.
All right.
Yeah.
So she tried to hit you, swung.
Yeah. Then she ran over there. She ran on the other side of the Waffle House. Probably going still late. That's when I told him to grab her.
I'm sorry. One more thing. She's going to Chatham County Jail.
Chatham County jail.
Yep. Chatham County Jail. All right.
Then,
She gets a call, but she'll probably be too drunk to call you guys. But just let you know, you can probably bond her out too. It's only a misdemeanor, so if you guys need to pick her up, give it like maybe 2-3 hours. All right.
Then
All right, man.
they started walking next way.
Yep.
That's when they stopped. I was like, y'all just need to call an Uber.
Yep.
That's her walking. It's not gonna. She passed out. I checked her pulse, made sure she was good. She was good.
Yeah.
Pulse was good. She just jumped up, started swinging on her again.
Yeah.
And that's when I just told them to call 911 so y'all can come.
Perfect.
All right, man.
That's beautiful. Thank you, man. Appreciate the help.
Mommy! Mommy! Mommy, you're illegally, bro! Mommy!
Yeah, it should be public drunkenness. That's all I charge her with.
Misdemeanor.
You're illegally,
One count.
promise you, bro.
You got that information with
I
her?
promise you, my mommy's gonna f***ing get me out of here! Baby, I'm so sorry.
You're making it worse right now. Sitting there talking to her. Can you get her ID card?
Hey, Ileana.
No!
Ileana.
My mommy, no! No, my mommy
You guys work for the airlines? You and her?
Hey, what's the address?
What airline? United?
She's a fresh.
The address on this card is her address? It's
Yeah,
on this
they work
ID?
for the airlines. They're crew members. Southwest. Damn. Ileana,
I can't.
what's wrong?
He hates me, bro.
Who hates you?
Because the Alvarez, bro.
You're fine.
No, he hates me because I'm f***ing pretty, bro. He hates me because I'm f***ing pretty, bro.
He hates you because you're pretty? Sounds like a first world problem to me.
No.
Let's put down public intoxication.
I'll do it, no worries. I appreciate the rest. I got it here. I think that's everything, right? Ileana, relax. Stop banging your head. Jesus Christ. Ileana. Ileana. Can you relax, please? Ileana, do not bang your head on the door. Damn it. Okay, here we go. Alright, Ileana. Did you take off your seatbelt? Yeah, you did. Come on. You don't need to promise me anything. You're fine. Come on. Let me get under your arm. Alright, and just walk right out.
I promise. Please don't let me get eaten by
You're not
anything.
gonna get eaten.
Please.
Come on, this way.
I promise. No,
Right here.
no.
This way, this way. You're not gonna get eaten. You're with me. Come on.
Please.
You're not gonna get eaten. You're with me, okay? You're with me. This way.
No, please. No, please.
What are you scared of? Come on.
No.
I got your purse right here, okay? Just very drunk. Yeah.
You're gonna be fine. You got somebody get you out? Huh?
No, she works for the airlines, so she's a crew member that flies out. So she's from Texas.
Oh, okay.
So
Damn.
went out with some friends, got
She
too
go
drunk.
online.
Yeah.
Georgia Code Section 161141 defines public drunkenness not by blood alcohol level, but by observable conduct. The law requires intoxication to be manifest through one of three specific categories: boisterous behavior, indecent acts, or vulgar and profane language. Being intoxicated alone is not a crime under Georgia law. Georgia Code Section 17420 authorizes warrantless arrest when an officer has probable cause to believe a crime occurred in their presence. Probable cause is not certainty. It is a reasonable belief based on articulable facts. The witnessed account here documented a fall, public urination, assault on security, and flight toward an active roadway. Each element independently satisfies the threshold. City of Revere versus Massachusetts General Hospital, decided by the Supreme Court in 1983, established a constitutional obligation that most people do not know exists. Once an officer takes a person into custody, the government assumes a legal duty to provide that person with necessary medical care. This duty is not discretionary. It attaches at the moment of arrest. Estelle versus Gamble, 1976, extended that principle further. Deliberate indifference to a serious medical need in custody constitutes a violation of the Eighth Amendment protection against cruel and unusual punishment. The subject stated on camera that she did not know if she had been given a substance without her knowledge. That statement is a medical disclosure, not a legal defense. Officers are constitutionally required to document and act on it. Kymel versus California, 1969. Permits a warrantless search of a person and the area within their immediate reach at the moment of a lawful arrest. The critical word is lawful. If the predicate arrest lacks probable cause, the search that follows loses its constitutional foundation entirely. Here, the arrest predicate is strong. The search stands. Graham versus Connor, 1989. Governs every physical interaction between an officer and a person in custody. Reasonableness is judged from the perspective of an officer on the scene. At the moment, the decision was made, with the information available at that time. Hindsight has no legal weight under this standard. The 14th Amendment Equal Protection Clause requires that criminal statutes apply uniformly regardless of occupation, employer, or social status. Person's profession does not create a legal exception to a misdemeanor charge. The law does not recognize professional courtesy as a constitutional principle. Georgia Code Section 4246 requires detention facilities to conduct medical fitness screening before accepting an inmate into general population. When the facility rejected intake, it exercised a separate administrative authority. That rejection does not retroactively invalidate the arrest. Illinois versus Gates, 1983. Is clear, probable cause is assessed at the moment of arrest, not by what happens afterward. A civil rights claim under Federal Code Section 1983 requires more than a released detainee. It requires proof that officers acted with deliberate indifference to a clearly established constitutional right. The record here shows officers who confirmed pulse, documented condition, and coordinated medical screening. That conduct moves in the opposite direction of deliberate indifference. 3 lessons emerge from this case. First, public drunkenness law is conduct-based, not condition-based. Second, the duty of medical care in custody is constitutional, not optional. Third, a facility's refusal to accept an inmate is an administrative decision, not a legal verdict on the arrest itself. Each of these distinctions matters in the courtroom and in the field. But one question remains open. If the subject told officers she may have been given something without her knowledge, and the detention center refused to book her on medical grounds, at what point does the state's failure to investigate that claim become its own constitutional problem? The footage does not answer that question. The law is not settled on it either. Watch closely. The answer may matter more than the arrest itself.